Welcome to my channel, Quiz Intractor. Please like this video and subscribe my channel. Let's start the video. Guess the Shin Sonic Tapes all characters by Emoji. Guess the character. Now answer is Shin Sonic Tape. Now answer is Supersonic Tapes. Now answer is Tails Tapes. Now answer is Shadow Tapes. Would you rather which character do you like more, Shin Sonic Tape or Supersonic Tape? Now answer is Catnap Tape. Now answer is Dog Day Tapes. Now answer is Army Rose Tapes. Now answer is Knuckles Tapes. Would you rather which character do you like more, Knuckle Tapes or Shadow Tapes? Now answer is Super Mario Tapes. Now answer is Zookeeper Tapes. Now answer is Silver Tapes. Now answer is Sonic Baby Tape. Would you rather which character do you like more, Mario Tapes or Dog Day Tapes? Now answer is Supersonic. Now answer is Dr. Robotnik. Now answer is Metal Sonic. Now answer is Rock the Bat. Would you rather which character do you like more, Supersonic or Metal Sonic? Thanks for watching this video.